Hello guys, welcome back to another video of 30 Days CAD Challenge where we would be making 3D models out of 2D models. Today we are going to make model 17. The learning outcome that you would get from this video is how to use pattern and how to use revolve command. Hope you guys enjoy this video and let's start. Here GS, we would be making half section of this whole model. Okay, make center line. Okay, now draw this sketch. Okay, give them dimension. Okay. Okay, and also okay. Anything else left? Okay. This is given 25 and anything else. Okay, now go to revolve boss space, click on this axis of revolution. Okay, and then mirror it, click on the surface and okay. Okay, now go over here on sketch, make it normal to make a construction circle of diameter 75. Okay, and make 6 holes of 8 dia. Okay, and then over here extruded cut and make it through all. So guys, here our model 17 is complete. Do let us know if you came across any difficulty in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe to our channel Start Scratch and check out other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content. Thank you, and I would see you guys in the next one.